Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to win exploding kittens every time. First, always prioritize holding onto a diffuse card. It is your most valuable asset. Next, focus on collecting pairs of identical cards, as these allow you to steal a random card from any opponent. Also, deploy attack cards strategically to make your opponents draw 2 cards, putting them at a disadvantage. Finally, use skip cards wisely to avoid drawing an exploding kittens card when you suspect it is coming up. Beyond basic plays, mastering card combinations is key. Playing 3 identical cards lets you demand a specific card from any player, which is incredibly powerful for acquiring a diffuse or an attack card. If you collect 5 different cards, you can take any card from the discard pile, offering great flexibility. Remember to use shuffle cards to randomize the draw pile, especially after a See the Future card reveals an exploding kitten. See the Future cards are vital for planning your next moves. Effective play involves both defense and offense. Always keep a nope card handy to cancel an opponent's action, especially if they try to steal your diffuse or play an attack card. Save your precious diffuse cards for when you absolutely need them, not for minor threats. On offense, use attack cards when an opponent has only 1 or 2 cards left, forcing them into a difficult situation. Remember to use cards like Favor or Shuffle to manipulate the exploding kitten's position. In the endgame, every move counts. The player who holds the last diffuse card often emerges victorious, so protect yours fiercely. When the draw pile is nearly empty, use attack cards to force opponents to draw, increasing their chances of hitting an exploding kitten. Pay close attention to how many exploding kittens have been discarded versus how many remain in play. Finally, strategically deploy your remaining cards to eliminate the last few players and claim your victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.